Effortlessly Chic, fashion and makeup tips for a youthful look. Do you ever feel stuck in a fashion rut? Want to add a youthful touch to your look? Here are some fashion and makeup tips to help you achieve an effortless, chic style. Tip 1. Choose clothing that fits well. Clothing that fits correctly can make you look slimmer and more put together. Tip 2. Incorporate bold colors and prints. Adding bright colors and fun prints to your wardrobe can instantly make you look youthful and energetic. Tip 3. Accessorize. Adding fun accessories like scarves, statement jewelry, or hats can elevate any outfit. Tip 4. Keep makeup minimal. A natural, glowing makeup look can make you appear more youthful and fresh. Tip 5. Focus on skincare. Taking care of your skin can help your makeup look better and your overall appearance more youthful. Tip 6. Experiment with hairstyles. Trying new hairstyles can add a playful and youthful touch to your overall look. Remember, fashion and makeup should be fun and expressive. Don't be afraid to try new things and find what works for you. I hope this fashion and makeup tips video was helpful. And if it does, please click on the like button. Also, please subscribe.